So now we will cover squares. Squares of typically of 2-digit numbers first. So first thing, squares, there are several methods. We will cover. First method is squares for numbers ending with 5. For example, 15 square. So for this best method, one easy way is the way is you write, put a line, put 25 on this side, take this number, add 1 is there, add 1 to that, 2, 1 into 2, 25. So similarly, what is 35 square?
25.
First you put 25. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into 3?
12.
12, 25.
2 into 3, 6.
Okay, let us say take 25 square. Is how 25 5 square you just put 25. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 into 3? 625.
85.
625.
85. Now I will go for 85.
Okay, 85. 85 square. 85 square is
25.
add put 25. 8 into 8 plus 1, 9.
9.
8 9s are 72. 7225. What about 65 square? 65 square. You can check in calculator also. 65 square. Put 25. 6 into 6 plus 1. 6 into 7. 42. 4225.
85.
Okay, this is about squares for numbers ending with 5. Okay, let us go to next one. Next one is very similar. Squares for numbers with only ones, like 1, 11, 111, 1111, like this. It is very easy. If you let us say 111 square.
1 to 1.
Now, you count from here. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So you just write 1, 2, 3. And then 2, 1. Count it back to 0. Back to 1. So 3 digits are there, right? 1, 2, 3. And then from 3 you have written 2, 1. That's it. So if it is 1, 1, 1, 1 square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So similarly, shall we write what about 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 square?
How much? 5 1.
5 ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all. This is about squares of 1, 1. This kind of squares.
But how to do squares number ending with other than
there are other methods are there. Suppose you have a number called 32 square. 32 square. This is another method. This is separate method.
Or any other number is yoga.
There are several methods. We will do first method. Method 1. 32 square. You write it into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 parts.
Only why 3?
I'll tell you. First part is last digit square.
4.
2 square is 4. First part is first digit square.
9.
9. Second part is this into this
6.
into 2.
12.
3, this into this, 6.
6
Square.
into 2.
Into 12.
12. So here, but here this 12, you will need to keep only one digit in each place. So you carry over this one here. So 1, 0, 2, 4. Can you calculate, check if the square is correct?
32 square. 32 into 32. Exactly.
Okay. Now we will do, similarly, shall we do 71 square?
Yeah.
Can you do? 71 square. Divide into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 square here, 1. 7 square here, 49. 7 into 1,
7.
7 into 2,
14.
14.
4.
4, 1 now to carry over.
50.
So
5, 0,
5, 0, 1. Please check in calculator.
71 into 71. Perfect.
So this 3, because there is a 2 digit, 71 is a 2 digit, so we are taking 3.
No, this is simple. Formula is something like a plus b whole square is equal to a square 2ab b square.
B square.
Yeah, simple.
Okay, 2ab will come in this place because this is in the tens place. When you square it, it will come to hundreds place.
A square plus 3ab.
Okay, underlining formula. If you read the PDF, we are not going into proof in this, but if you read the PDF file that we have given in our reference, or if you read the material, actually they have given proof why it is like this. Each of this is there, proof is there. It's not that it's not magic. It's proof, with proof is there in the PDF files. We'll do another example. 83 square. So 3 parts. 6, 4, 9, 8, 3 are 24, 48. 6, 8, 8, 9. Please check in calculator. Otherwise, if you want, let us do Vedic check also. 83 is 11, 2 square is 4. Bijang is
4.
4. Here is 8, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 9, 31,
31.
4. So, correct.
Bijang will add this and that.
Bijang
So Bijang always has to match.
Bijang has to match.
Bijang, this is my, there we are doing 8 plus 3.
8 plus 3 is 11. 11, 1 plus 1 is 2.
Perfect.
2 square is 4.
Okay, yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, so whenever we have a problem, if you find the Bijang is mismatch, then the answer is surely wrong. So squares we have covered 3 methods now. Now the 4th method is more beautiful. In this you can use for anything. 207 square. This you use base concept.
207 square.
Square. How much it is? Let us take
200.
200 as base. So 207. How much it is difference from base?
7.
Plus
Plus
7. How much time it is
200 plus 7.
No. You should, in this case it is 207 plus 7. Base is 200. 200 is how many times?
14.
The 100.
2 times.
2 times. 2. Slash 7 square.
Slash 7 square. Huh?
This one here.
Okay. So first you have to write 7 square.
So 207 is 214. 214 plus into 2 is 428. 42849. Can you check in calculator? 207 square should be 42849.
For every digit, we should like if 317 also we need write 2 here.
If it is 307, it should be here. It should be 3.
3, okay.
100 multiples of 100.
Whatever it is. No, multiples of the base.
Base.
Okay.
Base is 200, no?
Yeah, no. To the sub base will be 200, or you can say multiples of the nearest 10th place.
So there 2 came because...
I'll do one more example, then you will know. We'll do. Let us take another example, so it will be clear.
400.
Say 3998 square. Okay, 3998 is what? We can take 4000. So 3998. How much it is difference from 4000?
2.
Minus 2. Okay, and then how much it is in terms of 4 times?
Into 8 square.
No,
3 square.
minus 2 square.
Oh, last digit.
Square.
Minus 2 square.
4.
So whatever we are writing inside, उसका square होना चाहिए.
3998 minus 2.
इसमें तो 7 का होगा. इसका 7 इसलिए क्योंकि यहाँ 7 था.
This is 3996
Into 4.
into 4. Whatever this is. Here it is 4, but then it is 4000. So I will put. You know this, right? Why I am putting 3 digits. So now 39 is 4.
15,984.
This is okay. What you already got that?
1598.
6, 2, 38, 8, 3, 36 plus 39, 3, 15,994, 004 is the answer.
Oh, nice.
So can you do, check this, so answer will be 15,984, 004. You square 3998, square.
15,984, 004 is the correct answer.
Correct. Okay.
Means to say that 4 out what you are putting is equivalent to that 4,000 base.
4,000 divided by
1,000.
the 10, whatever is that, if it is for 400, you will have to do by, if it is 3, if your base is 100 and you are putting 400 there, you will again you will get 4. 4.
If it is 100, 100.
If it is just, instead of it was just 98, then you would have done 100, 1. Okay, is it clear? Shall we move to the next one? Or you want one more example or no?
One more.
One more, okay, we'll do one more.
Near to the base.
5024 square.
5,000 is the base.
So 5,000 you will keep as base. So 5,024, 5,000 is the base. 5024 plus 24 is the difference. 5 times slash 24 square. So 24 square is how much? Again here you can do 16, 4 and then 8, 16.
We can use that same method
6,
once again.
6, 7, put 7 to 576, right? So this is 576. Here for 5048, 5 into 5048. Correct? What is the 5048 into 5? 25240,576 should be the answer. Can you please check?
Perfect. It is correct.
Okay. So with this you can do square of any number. With this you can do square of any number using the base correctly, appropriate base.
It is not near to the base.
I mean, if it is near to the base, it is easy. If it is way in the middle, then you can either you can decide to use this method or you do multiplication.
550 and all you can take base, no?
You can take 50. If it is 550 square, you still say 5 into 550 plus 50, 50 square.
Yeah, yes, we can use 50 square.
550 plus 50, 600, 605,
3,000.
3000, 2500. But here it is how much digits?
1 0 means
500, right? So 25 should come here. 302500. Can you check this answer?
Yes, 302500.
how you did it and
Okay, see, when the same formula I've used here, and I get 2500 here.
yeah.
But in this place, since you have taken 500 as base, 500 has 2 zeros. So I should retain only two decimals this side.
Yeah.
These two I have to carry over to this.
Okay.
So add here.
025. Okay. 0 will be there.
So these 0 0 you keep it. These two you carry over on this side.
Plus add it.
This is the most tricky part. If you know this, you can solve anything. You have to be careful in this, that's all. If you make a mistake, it will be, otherwise you will say 3000, 2500, which is wrong. Okay. So now this finishes multiplication. Now we will go to something called, we will do division. Okay, division is very, in a way very easy. Also, little you have to listen, little tricky also. Okay, let us try this one. Okay, 8079 divided by So here there are many there are 2-3 methods, or there may be more methods of division, but what we are covering will be only be the methods that we will cover only 1 or 2 methods depending on how close it is to the base. Say, let us say divided by 989. 989 is, so here we know that this is dividend, this is divisor. Whatever answer you get is quotient, whatever is remaining is called remainder. So that
Center one is called
dividend, divisor, then you will get quotient and remainder. Okay, so dividend is equal to dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we will do this. Now this is our divisor. Now this divisor is close to the base 1000. So what I will do, I find something which is called as modified divisor. What I will do, I will 1000 minus this. This is my base. 1000 minus this is 11. But 3 zeros are there, so I make it 011. 011, now I call it as my modified divisor. This is divisor. This is called modified divisor. Okay. So 011 I have to start now. Now 011, 1000 has 3 digits, 011, so cut off 3 places. From this side, 1, 2, 3. Now it is very simple. Each one, you take 1 digit here and multiply by digit you multiply here. 8 zeros are 0, and you leave one space and write 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. Close. Shall I repeat? You take first digit here, 8, multiply digit by digit. 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are, and leave one space and write it. 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. Leave it. So this digit is over now. Take the next digit, 0. Again, in this case, there is a 0 below. So add it. 2, there is a number below, so add it. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now this sum you have to multiply. 0 plus 0, 0. So 0 into 0,
0.
Leave one space, 0. 0 into 1, 0 into 1,
0.
This is over. Now you have covered all the digits till the slash. So over. You write down what is the sum. 8 here 0, here 80. Put it. 8, 0, 80. Here again you add 9. 7 plus 8, 15. 8 plus 1, 9. Or now this is your quotient, this is your remainder. Multiplication and division is over. Okay, now you please verify if this answer is correct. 80 into 989 plus 959 should be 8079.
80 into 989.
80 into 989 plus 959 is equal to
80079.
Okay, that is correct.
Dividing no decimal point and all will come.
No, this is only division to get up to quotient and remainder. That is the method. We will do one more example just to so that you are clear. Okay, I will do one more. Seven 70432. But you should remember to take the number close to the base. Okay, in this case, let me take 994. Let me take, instead of 994, I will take 997. Okay. So what is modified divisor now?
006.
3.
3.
Base is
That's 1000.
1000. 1000 has 3 zeros, 3 places, cut off here. Multiply digit by digit. 7 zeros are 0 and leave one space and write 0. 7 zeros are 0. 7 threes are
21.
so just write 21 here slowly. We'll tackle that later. How to write that. Good. Okay. Then here 0 plus 0. In this case also we have got 0, but anyway let's keep it. 0 plus 0 is
0.
0. 0 into 0.
0.
Leave one space here. 0 into 0.
0.
0 into 3.
0.
Over. Now add here. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 0.
0.
2 plus 0. 2.
2. 2.
Here 3 plus 21.
24.
24. 4. Carry over.
6.
2. 642. 70. So this is your quotient. This is your remainder. Can you check? 70 into 997. Plus 642 equal to
70432.
okay.
But
Correct.
now you take a 1 without 0.
Yeah, we'll take one without 0. This division, in order to teach, you should take. We should practice. 7 1 1 2 1. Okay. The modified divisor will be
But if it is 1002 also, it will be 002 only.
no. If it is okay, that is another case. If it is becomes 1002, then this number will become 002 bar because it is minus 2 less than 1000. Okay, that is another case. You just put say division method, everything is same. If it suppose instead of 998, I will put
After this we'll do that.
We'll do that.
Yeah.
Instead of if it becomes 1002, then here it will become 002 bar.
Okay, now we will do this and then we will do that.
Okay, now 3 cut off.
You got 3 zeros, 3 cut off after that from here. Okay. 7 zeros are 0.
Okay, now we have multiplied this. 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 twos are 14. You put here. Correct? Now 1 plus 0?
0.
1. 1. 1 into 0? 0. 1 into 0? 0. 1 into 2? 2. Add. 2 plus 1? 3. 14 plus 2? 16. 6. 1. 1 plus 1?
2. 2.
2. 71. So this is your quotient.
Minus 263.
This is your remainder. So you say 71 into 998 plus 263
998.
plus 263 equal to
71121.
okay. Correct. Now we will do the other case. When the greater 8092 1002. This will be 002 bar. Okay. Cut it here. 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16 bar. 1 bar, 6 bar. Cut. 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? Because 0 into 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 2 bar is 0. Now add 2. 16 is minus 16 plus 9 is minus 7. 7 bar.
plus 9.
7 bar. What is here? 0?
Minus 1.
0. Here? 80. Okay. Now, 7 bar 2 is how much? You have to convert, no?
28.
So, this is 2. 7 bar is 3.
9.
First subject, first you have to subtract from 10.
10, yeah.
And then add 1. 132. Okay, now you find out 80 into 1002 plus 132. Now 1 second, is it 132? Not 132. Now 1 bar, it will become, I have to subtract 1, right? Sorry. So 7 bar is
N minus 7.
1 second. There is a mistake here. I have made a mistake. We didn't do the conversion correctly. Here, 7 bar is what?
I think it will become 28.
No. This is 70 minus 2. Minus 68 it is.
70 minus 2. Yes. Minus 68. Yes.
So, when it is minus 68, you have to reduce 1 from here. That means the remainder is negative. So, what you do? You reduce 1 here, no? 79. And then you say 1002 minus 68. You are getting or no? $79 into 1002 plus 934. Can you try?
79 into 1002. Plus
934.
80092.
Okay. Yeah, if it is not clear, let me explain. Since this number becomes a negative number, that means our remainder is negative. If the remainder is negative, how to do? You have to take 1 from here, no? Because that means I have over divided. So you take 1, reduce it here, and make it positive.
Understood. One means 1002 we need to take here.
No. You from this one quotient, you reduce 1. Add 1 here. When you add 1 here, which means what? You have to add 1 time the 1002. So 1002 minus 68. Okay. This is clear. So these are the only 2 methods that we are as part of our syllabus we are going to teach for division.
How it comes 68?
7 bar 2 is 68.
70 minus 2.
7, what is 7 bar 2? This is in tens place. 7 into 10, minus 7 into 10, minus 70, plus 2, minus 68.
1002 why you wrote?
Where 1002?
Down.
When I
That
take,
is first one time.
One time
That's why.
I have taken 1 time subtraction from here. I removed 1 time 1008, I have removed 1002, I have removed here. Okay. So this is covers division. Now we have 2 other topics to cover. One is magic square. Other one is recurring digits. After that we will close. What is magic square? Magic square, all of us know. Magic square is a square. Let us say it will be a n by n square, where n is 1 by 1 and not 1 by 1. 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6 or 8 by 8 like that. Where sum of the rows, sum of the columns and sum of the diagonals are all equal. Then it is called a magic square. Okay, how to write a magic square? Now first I will take odd number. 2 cases are there. Odd number. Odd number means
Not divided by 2. Not divided by 2.
3 by 3, 5 by 5, 7 by 7, 9 by 9, etc. So the numbers, how we should take what type of numbers? Numbers should be either sequential, 1, 2, 3, 4, starting from 10 also you can take, starting from anywhere you can take, they can be sequential, or they should be in arithmetic progression. You know what is arithmetic? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or 15, 20, 25, 30 like that, which is a equal difference. So let us take, so that is the method to do this. So first you should say, let us say I take 3. First you identify 9 numbers in the progression. Suppose I take 3 by 3, I can take 9 numbers. For convenience sake, I'll start with 1 to 9. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or if I want to write it in a more proper way, I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is my number. How to fill in the magic square? So how to fill in the number such that you get the magic square? So first it says if it's a odd number, fill in the topmost center. Topmost center, the smallest one. 1. Then every time you go up, diagonal up.
Smallest number should be in the topmost center.
Then go to diagonal up. If there is nothing here, you rotate, come here, put it here. This will become
1, 2,
2. Next number. Next you got to go diagonal up. Right side. Diagonal. Nothing is there. So what you will do? You will have to go 3. Again you go diagonal up. In this case it's already filled. The moment it is filled, you have to put down 4. Then again diagonal up 5. Diagonal up 6. Diagonal up. Now here there is no space. Where do you do? You come here, what is the field? What to do? So, because it is occupied, the moment you find it occupied, you have to put below. So, since it is occupied, you come here. Then 7, next this one. So, when there is no space here, where do you do? Go and put it 8. So, how am I going like this? It's like as though you are rotating a piece of paper, like a cylinder. What is next after this? This one, because you are turning this and keeping it back that side. Okay. So after 8, what is the number? 9 here. Here there is no. So you come down 9. Now you add and see. 8 plus 1 plus 6.
8 plus 1, 15.
15. 3 plus 5 plus 7.
15.
15. 4 plus 9 plus 2.
13. 15.
8 plus 3 plus 4.
15.
15. 9 plus 5 for 14 plus 1. 15. 2
15.
7 15. Diagonal 8 5 13 plus 2 15. 4 5 9 9 plus 6
15.
So you will get magic. That is a magic square. You can do this. Same rule applies for 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 7 by 7. This is only for odd number. Even number I'll show you. There is another method. Okay, so this one we can try it ourselves for odd numbers. I mean for other which one? Odd numbers. Like you can try for 5 by 5. You want me to do or we'll do it? Should we do now?
Yeah.
Okay.
One, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So ideally you can take any number sequence. You need not start from 1. But for simplicity in this class, since we are running out, time is less, I'll start on 1. 1 2. So here it will be 1 to 25. Okay. But you can take 25 to 50 also, or 50 to 75, or 50 to 100 every 2 numbers.
We can start from 23 in between.
You can start from anywhere as long as it's an arithmetic progression. The difference in the number should be same. So we'll start from 1. So 1.
Center most.
Start on 1. Second, go up, put 2 here, no space, 2. 2 here, you come down.
Why there?
Technically, once you connect.
So, what I'm saying, you assume this is a paper, I have rotated it. When I go here, what happens? This number is actually here.
One is rotated, so there is the next column.
There
First one is
down,
rotated.
right side down.
Right side down.
Okay.
Then 2, opposite,
Nothing.
3. 3 opposite,
Nothing.
4. When the 4 is not there here, you put
You come there, then rotate.
4.
Then again top like
5. 5 onwards, 6 here, but there is no space. So you come here 6.
6.
7. 8. 8 onwards,
9.
9. 9 onwards, 10. 10 here. No space. So come down. 11. 12.
13.
13.
14.
14.
15.
15.
No space.
Here I come here. Here no space. 16. 16 onwards. 17 here. 17. Okay. 17 go up. 18. Go up. Come down.
19 then.
19.
20.
20. There is no space.
Down.
21. Up. 22. Here. 23. Here. 24. 25. Now you check anywhere. Okay. For example, let us just check 2 rows. 17 plus 24 is 41. 41, 42, 50, 65.
9 into 9.
Okay, here also we'll check. 29, 31, 40, 65. Okay, so we can check later. We will go move on. Okay, shall we go to next one? So this one if you practice 2 or 3 things, automatically after that we can you will get the rest.
I think on base of this we can solve.
Okay, now next one is what have we done now? 4 by 4 we will do. Even number. Even number. Even number is always either 4 by 4 or 4n by 4n, which means 8 by 8, 12 by 12, 16 by 16 like that. Okay. So here let us take one 4 by 4. This is in fact some for many people this is easier than 3 by 3. Okay, one more thing I forgot to mention in the 3 by 3 is you can put in 3 by 3 you can even mention take say let us take, you can take 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 6, 9, 3.
It won't come. 1,
No, 1, sorry.
7 or 8 will be
No,
added at the top.
here I multiply by 2, here I multiply by 3. 3, 6, 12, 9, 18, 36. Okay. So what I am saying, I am taking 9 numbers which are like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let me, before going to even number, I forgot to mention, this is a geometric progression. This one is progressing with 2. This one is progressing with 3. Means this side is 2, this side is 3. Now if you add these numbers in the same way in the magic square, then when you multiply the digits, answer will come same. I will do that. So but you must start like this, 1 and then come here, go to this, come here, go to this. So here it is 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 12. Then after 12 it is here 9, 18, 36. Okay, you're getting? I wrote numbers. You can take any number, but better to take simple ones so that multiplication looks easy. You take here 1, 2, 4 means 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4. Then 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9. So you get 9 numbers now, like this. These 9 numbers in this order you put, and then you multiply this. 18 ones are 18, 18 12s are
226.
240 into 9.
Huh? So it's 24 into 9.
24 into 9.
226.
36 into 3.
216. 216.
Here also it must be 216. 216. 36 into 3, 108, 108 into 2,
16.
18 into 6 into 2, 12 18s are
18 into
18 into 6 into 2,
216.
216. 12 into 6 into 3. So this is magic square, not addition, but multiplication.
216. Same.
So this is another type of magic square, but it's a multiplication magic square. Where however you multiply like this, or like this, or like this, you will get the same answer.
But how do you put that numbers 1, 2, 3?
Which one?
That there in that box.
The way of putting the number is same as we did for that one. But the number should be first put in this order. So I showed you. One, you take one number, start with any one number, 1. Put a common multiplier, you can put 2. 1, 2, 4, and then you multiply this side into 3. 1, 3, 9. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36. After 6, you put this 1, 2. So you write down now instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 earlier, you write down the numbers as 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 12, 9, 18, 36. So now you write this. You fill this in that same order. I showed you, no? Up,
1, then
up, come here, 2. Go up, 4. Up after 4, 3.
4, then 5. 3, then
3. After 3, 6. After 6, 12. After 12, 9. 9. After 9, 18. After 18, 36. And then multiply and check.
Okay. There we are adding and subtracting, no?
That is a addition magic square. This is a multiplication magic square. Okay, this is okay. So this one you can also show. It will be nice. It will be interesting. Now we will come to 4 into 4 by 4 matrix. 4 by 4 matrix is very easy. It looks, but you can, and definitely please do this matrix on the first day of the class. Though I am taking in a different order, it's given to take it in the first day. And I'll give them one big 7 by 7 and we can give it as homework.
Keep them occupied.
Yeah, keep them.
You can do few seconds.
Yeah, you can do. So this is 4 by 4. Okay. 4 by 4, what you do is very easy. Let us take example 1 to 16. So you have to fill 1 to 16, 4 by 4. So what you do, 4 by 4, you just first of all write the diagonal. Okay. Correct? Start from any one side. Let us say you start from this side. Start writing the numbers wherever the diagonal is. Each box you have to give the number. Whenever diagonal is there, don't write the number. Skip that number. Whenever diagonal is there in that box, skip that number. So now I am starting here. 1. Diagonal is there, skip it. I write 2. 3. Diagonal is there, 4. Skip it. 5. Diagonal is there, skip it. 7. Skip it. 8. Then 9. Diagonal is there, skip. 10, 11, skip. Right? 12. Diagonal is there? No. So skip it. 13 you have to skip. 14, 15. 16 is there. Now, start from reverse direction. Again from the beginning. From beginning. 1. Whatever you have missed out, now you write wherever diagonal is there.
Okay, 1.
1.
2 is there.
2 is there, 3 is there. 4.
5 is there.
Then 5 is there, 6, 7. Then 8 is there. 9 is there. 10. 11. Then this is over. 12 is there. 13 is not there. So 13. 14, 15, 16. Now let us try to add. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 13, 31 plus 2, 3.
34.
34. 5, 10 plus 11, 21. 21 plus 8, 29. 28, 29 plus 5, 34. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 12, 34. Okay. Then can you check here?
29 plus 4, 33, 1 plus 4, 34. Last row is also 34.
So this is also
34.
34. Then you count here.
Okay.
Followed with
16 plus 5, 21, 30, 34. 2 plus
13.
13, 7, 20, 34. 6, 21, 30, 1, 34. 13, 26, 34.
Okay.
Then diagonal. 13, 23, 30, 34. 16, 36, 26, 27, 33, 34. So this diagonal also 34. So this is like this. You can do for 8 by 8 also. Same method, but only thing in 8 by 8 and others, I will just tell you. We will not do it here because time will take time. Let us say you take 8 by 8 matrix. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 you get. First thing you will draw the diagonal, both like this. But in 8 by 8 or this thing you should draw even the smaller 4 by 4 diagonal also you must draw. Draw these diagonal also. Means every 4 by 4 diagonal you should draw.
Okay, 4 by 4 is the base.
4 by 4 diagonals you should always draw.
same I can do it. So first you have to make 8 by 8. Then
First you draw 8 by 8 diagonal, then you draw 4 by 4 diagonals everywhere. And then do the same process you will get. It will take 15-20 minutes to write it. In this we will not do now because it will be waste of time. Okay, so this covers magic square. Now last topic we will do is recurring digits. Okay, decimals. Let us say something like 1 by 19.
recurring digit.
1 by 19. Okay. Like if you take 1 by 3, it is 0.33333. It repeats after the first digit itself. 0.19 is actually, it will get some number which will repeat after 19 minus 1, 18 digits it will come. Some
0, 0, 0, 0.
No, 0.5, 0.52, something it will come. 18 digits. Then that 18 digits will repeat like that. Suppose a number is 1 by x is there, it is 0.524, 524, 524, 524. It is repeating after how many digits? 3 digits. After 524, it is repeating 524, 524, 524.
So, because x is 3, huh?
No, I'm just taking some examples. So similarly, 1 by 19 will repeat after 18 digits.
So minus 1, x minus 1.
No, 1 by 19 minus 1.
So x minus 1 times it will repeat.
Yes. No, not times. X minus, after x minus 1 digits.
Yes.
And this is applicable only for the fractions of the form 1 by a9, ending with 9 only. You should not try for others. For others, if you want to try, there is a trick. We will show you how to convert it. We will do it and see. Here there are two methods. One is called division method. Another one is called multiplication method. So we will do that. Now first one, let us take 1 by 19. Let us do division method. Division method. Okay. So first thing you must remember that what is less than 1 by 19? 1 before 1 by 19?
18.
No. One number before 9.
8.
This is of the form 1 by a9. What is before 9 here?
1.
So you should add 1 to that.
2.
So that is a plus 1. So in this case 1 plus 1, 2. This is okay. Let me repeat again.
1 by a9.
1 by a9 is the format.
Okay.
If it is 1 by 19, what is a? A is
1.
1. So a plus 1 is what you have to use. A plus 1 in this case is 1 plus 1.
A plus 1. We have to write A plus. If it was 29, A plus 2.
If it was 29, it would be 2 plus 1, 3.
Okay.
Always we add 1.
Add 1 to this
Left
a.
side. Left side. Leftmost side.
Leftmost side. Okay. So now I will take 1 by 20. Sorry. So, so this is 1 by 19. 1 by 19 we take it as, you take 1 by 20. 1 by 20 you know is 0.05. Okay. Now you go on dividing this by number by 2. This number means only this one. So why you have to divide by 2? Because of this. I take a plus 1. Okay, 0.05. So what is 5 by 2? 5 by 2 is
2.5.
2 remainder 1.
Yeah.
So 2 remainder 1. Now what is the number here now? 12. 12 by 2?
6.
Remainder 0. 6 by 2?
3.
3 by 2?
1 by
1 remainder 1. Now 11. 5 remainder 1. What is 7? 15 it is.
15. 7.
7 remainder 1. Correct? 17. What is 17?
17. 8 is
8 remainder 1.
Yeah.
18.
9.
9 remainder 0.
Yeah.
9 divided by 2.
4 remainder 1.
4. 1.
Yeah.
14.
7. Remainder 0.
7.
Yeah. 2 remainder 1.
2. 1.
3 remainder. 3 remainder 1.
Sorry, 3.
3 remainder 1. 6. 3 remainder 1. 13.
13.
6 remainder 1. 16. 8.
Then
2.
4.
4. 4. Yeah. 2. 1.
1.
Yeah.
0, 5.
0.
5.
1 by 2 is 0 remainder 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0 remainder 1. Correct? Now 10. 5 remainder 0. Now you say how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. After this it is repeating 0, 5. Okay. So your number 1 by 19 is equal to 0.05 2631578 947368421. After this, it will continue repeat. This whole thing will repeat again. So recurring digit, this you will not get in calculator also. It is beyond this. Okay. So this one is, this is the digit and it will continue. Okay, this is one method. We'll do. See, what is the beauty of this method is I got a number fraction without doing a single work of division. Did I divide 1 by 19? Otherwise, if you have to do 1 by 19, you have to divide 18 times, you have to do division. Here I am multiplying, dividing by 2 18 times, which is very easy. Another method is that. This is even more easier. This is called 1 by 19 by, let us say I will say 1 by 19 by multiplication method. So 1 by 19 is in the format 1 by EA9. Okay. So what I have to use as multiplication? A plus 1. A plus 1 is 1 plus 1, which is 2. What I have to multiply it with? I have to multiply it with the numerator here. So I put 1. I start with 1. This for division I started writing like this. For multiplication I start writing like this. That is the difference. 2. First I start with 1 is here. Then I multiply. 2 into 1. 2 into 2.
4.
Did you write down the previous answer in your?
Yeah.
Okay, those are written down. You check this answer also you will get. You should get the same answer.
2 into 1.
2 into 1, 2.
Yeah.
2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2,
8.
8 into 2,
16.
6. Carry over 1.
Yeah. Carry over.
Then 2 into 6,
12.
12 plus 1,
13.
Carry 1.
6 plus 1,
7.
7 2 is 14, 1. Correct? 4 2 is 8 plus 2, 9. 9 2 is 8, 1. 8 2 is 16 plus 1, 1. 7 2 is 14 plus 1,
15. Carry 1.
then 11, 1, 1. Then 2 1s are 2 plus 1,
3.
3 2s are 6 2s are
12. Carry 1.
One by 19 should start recurring after how many digits? 18 digits. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I should get now. 2 5s are?
5 to 10.
So we know it should recur after 18 digits. Dot. Now check the answer. Okay. So 1 by 19, any fraction you can find like this. Now for example, we'll not do it since it will take time, but I will tell you how to do fractions of other methods. Let us say 1 by 7. How to find 1 by 7? Answer. It is not in the 9 format. So what you do, make it into 9 format. How to make 1 by 7 in 9 format? Multiply by 7, divide by 7. So what it becomes? 7 by 49.
49. What is this called?
1 by 7 I want the value.
Okay.
It is not in the A9 format. 1 by A9 only we know how to do.
Yeah.
It is not in A9 format. So how to make 7 in A9 format?
Always I make.
Convert it to 9 format. So you convert into 7 divided by 7. 7 7 is 49. Now it becomes 9.
Yeah.
Here it is 7.
Yeah.
So what you do, 7 by 49 is now what is required. Now let us do multiplication method. How to do 49 7 7s? What I have to start with number? 7.
Yeah.
What I have to multiply with?
7.
No. What I have to multiply with? This A9, A plus 1.
A plus 1. Yeah.
So 4 plus 1 is
5.
5. So I have to multiply by 5.
Yeah.
So now you start multiplying this by 5. 7 5s are
35.
5, 3. 5 7s are 35. 5 3. Correct?
Yeah.
Then again you multiply. 5 5s are 25.
Yeah. 3.
3 8 28. 2 carry.
Yeah.
5 2s are, what is it? 5 8s are
40.
42.
42.
2 4 carry.
5 to
5 2s are
10.
4 carry 1.
5 2s are 10.
10.
4 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 4
4
4
carry 1.
carry 1.
One.
Yeah.
Then
5
4,
20.
5 for the 20, and carry
21.
1, 21.
One carry
So
two.
1 or carry 2. Carry 2.
1,
Carry
2.
2.
Then
5 1
5 1 ja
5 2 7 7
7 7. 7
5 1
carry
5 plus 2,
0.
7.
Carry.
Again,
Then
Carry 0.
0.
Ah.
So what happens now? This is okay. Let us carry 0. Then 5 5s are 35. Again 5,
Carry 3.
3. So this is repeating 57.
Yeah.
So what is the value? 57. Here it is repeating.
Yeah.
So 7 by 49 will be 0.142857.
0 5 1 4 2 8 5 7.
It's recurring after this point, right?
Yeah.
You do 1 by 7 and see the value. You will get something like this. Can you see in calculator?
yes, we're getting
0.14285714.
714 is
Yeah, 7. Again this 1 4 will repeat.
okay.
You are getting?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how you can find. So how you can find 1 by 13?
Yeah.
How to find 1 by the value of 1 by 13? Multiply by
3 by 3.
into 3 by 3. That's all.
Yeah.
Same thing. If you want to do 1 by what is 1 by 17? You can also do.
3 by 3, why you are doing? Because the
9,
We have to make it 9.
You should make this 9. How can I make this 9? If you multiply by 3, it will become 39.
49.
So it will become 3 by 39. You keep 3 here and keep multiplying by 4.
4.
That's all.
should be with 9.
And you should bring it to this format so that you can do it.
A by
A1 by A9.
A9.
Okay. So this covers our syllabus. If you have any question, you go ahead. Otherwise, we close this. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.